Trending salt-baked royal prawns recipe in China. Pour sea salt into the pot. Stir-fry over high heat to release the aroma. Remove half salt. Place the prawns in the pot. Pour in the remaining coarse salt to cover the prawns. Cover and cook over high heat for 8 minutes. Ready. Delicious! Trending salt-baked seafood recipe in China. Pour the seafood into the pan. Ginger scallion sconcing wine 1 tsp. Half a packet of salt cover. Shake to mix evenly. Simmer on high heat for 3 minutes. Do not add water. Delicious! Trending steamed clams with eggs recipe in China. Boiled water, add clams, remove open clams. Arrange neatly on a plate. 3 eggs. Salt once, cooking wine 1 to stir for 1 min. Water 1 bowl, stir well mixed. Pour into plate. Cover plate, place in pot. Steam until the custard solidifies, then remove. Sesame oil 1 split, soy sauce 1 chopped green onions. Delicious! Trending cold tossed spicy razor clams recipe in China. Boil in cold water for 3 minutes. Remove, place in ice water. Remove water, minced ginger 1 sp, minced garlic 1 tsp. Bird's eye chili. Mustard cilantro. Drunkard's sauce 1 tsp. Hua Dao wine 1 split, soy sauce 1 tsp. Stir evenly, refrigerate for half an hour. Ready. Delicious! Trending pepper and salt potatoes recipe in China. Peel the potatoes, put them in cold water. After boiling for 10 minutes, remove them. Wrap the potatoes in plastic wrap, gently crack them with a knife. Heat oil in a pan and fry. Fry until golden brown on both sides. Sprinkle with salt and pepper. Sprinkle with chopped green onions. Mix well. Ready. Delicious! Trending braised pork belly recipe in China. Dice the pork. Add salt and water, rinse well. No need to heat oil in the pan. Add the pork belly, stir-fry over high heat. Stir-fry to render the fat. Add scallions and ginger. Dried chili star, anise, cinnamon, fragrant leaves. Salt 1 crystal, sugar, dark soy sauce 1 spear. Pour water. Cover with a lid. Simmer on low heat for 50 minutes. Finally, increase the heat to high to reduce the sauce. Ready. Delicious! Trending sour and spicy noodles recipe in China. Chopped green onions. Minced garlic 1 diced red chili 1 salt 1 tsp. Chicken bouillon 1 pepper powder 1 tsp. Light soy sauce 1 tsp. Chinese black vinegar 1 cilantro. Boil the vermicelli in boiling water until cooked. Place the vermicelli and soup in a bowl. Chili oil 1 tsp. Sesame oil 1 roasted peanuts. Ready. Delicious! Trending scallion-flavored squid recipe in China. Clean the squid and slice into rings. Place enoki mushrooms. Place the squid. Steam for 5 minutes. Sprinkle chopped scallions for hot oil. Blanch sauce 1 tsp. Ready. Delicious! Trending steamed silky chicken with shiitake mushrooms. Recipe in China. Wash the chicken pieces by rubbing with salted water. Help remove blood and impurities. After cleaning, squeeze out excess water vigorously. Add scallions and ginger. Salt 1 tsp. Black pepper 1 tsp. Sugar 1 cooking wine 1 tsp. Light soy sauce 1 oyster sauce 1 tsp. Mix well, marinate for 15 minutes. Starch 2 tsp. Put soaked shiitake mushrooms, a few red dates, and goji berries. Mix well. Add a spoonful of peanut oil before cooking. Steam on high for 15 minutes once boiling. Sprinkle with chopped green onions before serving. Ready. Delicious! Trending sauce-flavored seafood platter recipe in China. Cut the crab into small pieces, arrange in the plate. Slice the squid into rings. More some fish. Cooking wine 1 spread of the fishy smell. Steamed fish with soy sauce 1 tsp. Fish head sauce 2 tsp. Steam on high for 6 minutes once boiling. Sprinkle with chopped green onions. Ready. Delicious! Trending braised beef brisket with chestnuts recipe in China. Beef scallion ginger. Cooking wine 1 boil until blood scum appears, then skim it off. After the oil is hotted, scallions, ginger, garlic. Pour in the boiled beef. Light soy sauce 1 tsp. Dark soy sauce 1 tsp. Laugan ma 1 tsp. Star anise fragrant leaves. Dried chili peppers 2 pcs. Pour hot water. Cover and simmer for 40 minutes. Add chestnuts. Salt 1 pepper powder 1 tsp. Continue to simmer for 15 more minutes. Delicious! Trending scallion oil pan-fried pommes recipe in China. Make cuts on the back. Add scallions and ginger. Salt 1 cooking wine 1 tsp. When the water bubbles, add the pommes. Simmer on low heat for 2 minutes once boiling. Chopped scallions. Hot oil. Blanch sauce 1 tsp. Delicious! Trending green pea and duck egg custard recipe in China. Minced meat cooking wine 1 yellow bean sauce 2 tsp. Mix thoroughly. Put green peas, duck egg 3 pcs. Steam 8 minutes. Then pour hot oil over the scallions to release the fragrance. Light soy sauce 1 tsp. Delicious! Trending chestnut chicken pieces recipe in China. Fresh chicken salt 1 water, rinse well. Heat the oil, add chicken to the pot. Stir fry until moisture evaporates and chicken surface turns slightly golden. Cooking wine 1 tsp. Star anise dried chili. Ginger slices, garlic. Put chestnut. Add shiitake mushrooms for seasoning. Salt 1 tsp. Black pepper 1 tsp. Light soy sauce 1 oyster sauce 1 tsp. Stir fry over high heat. Add boiling water. Cover, simmer for 15 minutes. Add green and red peppers, mix thoroughly. Ready. Delicious! Trending steamed pommes fish recipe in China. Make a cut on the back. Place it in a dish. Green onion stinger. Cooking wine 1 tsp. Pork lard 1 tsp. Cover the pot, steam for 5 minutes. Pour out steaming water. Pour in hot oil, chopped scallions or pepper flakes. White blanching sauce 1 tsp. Delicious! Trending taro ball and fruit dessert recipe in China. When water boils, add the taro balls. Cook until float to the surface. Remove and place them in cold water. Place the fruits in a bowl. Add the taro balls. Pour in cold milk. Ready. Delicious! Trending scallion oil yellow croaker recipe in China. Make 2 cuts on the back, place it in a bowl. Ginger, green onions. Cooking wine 1 tsp. Steam 5 minutes. Remove scallion segments, pour out the broth. Hot oil 1 tsp. Light soy sauce 1 tsp. Ready. Delicious! Trending vinegar-soaked peanuts recipe in China. Soak peanuts in water for 30 minutes. Boil in cold water for 15 minutes until peanuts are cooked. Add carrot cubes. Add celery cubes, cook for half a minute. Remove and cool them in ice water. After draining, add garlic slices. Vinegar sauce 3 tsp. Mix well. Ready. Delicious! Trending salted egg yolk baked royal prawns recipe in China. Cut shrimp legs and heads. Make a slit in the shrimp belly for better flavor absorption. Sprinkle with cornstarch mix evenly. Boiling oil. Fry the royal prawns until golden brown on both sides. Then remove from heat. Salted egg yolk sauce to spin boiling oil. Salt once chicken bouillon 1 tsp. Cook over low heat until the egg yolk begins to bubble. Pour in the royal prawns and stir fry until well coated. Ready! Delicious!